Hi and welcome. I'm Lisa. Thanks for joining us for the birthday video hop and giveaway. Now, I have all the details listed below in the description box. You're going to want to click that show more so you'll be able to see all of those details. We'll talk a little bit about those in just a few seconds. But first, let's talk about some of the products I'm going to be using. I'm doing some hot foiling. Initially, I was going to use black foil, but I changed my mind and decided I would do gold foil because I'm using these gorgeous little metallic gold jewels from the Crescent Creations shop. Now, Nia's the owner of that shop, and we are celebrating her birthday during this hop. So happy birthday to her. Here we are. I've done a little bit of prep work, 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches on this cardstock, black and white. And I did that. It makes it a little bit easier when you're foiling, in my opinion. So I'm going to do the hinge method where we have everything right here in front of us. I flip that hot plate upside down on my little piece of cardstock. Use a piece of purple tape to create a hinge so I can flip the hot plate back up. And then I'll lay my foil down on my cardstock, shiny side up, and then flip the plate back down. I do use another piece of purple tape to secure the other side. I'll lay this upside down on the platform, hit the timer, wait for that to turn a solid green, and then I'll take that platform with the plates that come with this machine and run those through my die cut machine to go ahead and transfer that foil. So while we're doing that, let's talk a little bit about the giveaway. There are several prizes being given away. You're going to have to hop along and leave a comment at each stop along the way for a chance to win one of the prizes. I have the next stop listed in the description box below at the very top. So you're going to want to be sure you click that link to hop to the next person. And now make sure you're leaving a comment so that you have a chance to win one of these prizes. And if you would be so kind as to let us know if you're in the US while you're leaving your comment. One of the prizes is a US residents only prize, and it's only because of the price of shipping, I'm sure. So just if you wouldn't mind, just let us know in the comment while you're commenting if you're a US resident. So here we have our hot foiling done. And I did some white cardstock with gold and then the black cardstock. And I've also done a sentiment, like I said earlier. And I just did the same thing where I hinged the sentiment, ran it through, and then waited for the thing to get hot, ran it through my die cut machine. And you see there's a little bit of extra foiling on there. I'm going to clean that off with an eraser. So with the Art Studio set, you're going to get 3 round, they're very wonky die cuts, but they're round wonky die cuts. And what I did, you can see there to the right, I ran my foiled pieces through the die cut machine with the largest die to start with. If I decide I want to scale those down a little bit, I can do that with the larger circle. If you end up with excess foiling, all you need to do is take a rubber eraser, and that's what I'm using here. I'm not using the sand side of this eraser. I'm just using the rubber side. And just erase that foil away, and it comes right off. It's super simple. Playing around with the placement of all of my foiled circles, and I used mounting foam to pop mine up off of a 3.5 by 8.5 inch slimline card. Now for the sentiment, I used a round nesting die to cut that out. And same thing, mounting foam to the back of it, played around with the placement of these. I did cut a couple of them smaller and just put them here and there. No rhyme or reason. There's never any rhyme or reason to my placement. After I got those situated, I decided that I wanted to come in with my Jelly Roll pen and add some gold detail around the edge. And then we're going to use those gorgeous metallic gold jewels to dress this card out. And that's going to wrap us up for the card. Now, remember, you need to be hopping along, leaving a comment at each stop. I have the next stop in the box directly below for you. The giveaway closes November 21st at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The winners are going to be announced over on Neha's Instagram account on November 23rd. Now, I'm going to link her Instagram account below for you so that you will be able to hop over there and check out those winners once they're announced. We appreciate you joining us and celebrating. We hope you enjoyed the inspiration. Until next time, take care.